Hello, in this video I will show you how to drain and replace the engine oil filter and air filter on Opel Astra J 1.7 CDTI. This is the engine and this is the oil filler cap right there. We need to loosen that, and that's the oil filter just on the rear of the engine. First we're going to loosen the oil filler cap, and afterwards we're going to remove the oil filter. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the oil filter out. Now we can replace it with a new one. Next we're going to remove this engine under tray in order to get access to the oil drain plug. That's the oil pan right there, and that's the oil drain plug right there. Now we're going to remove the drain plug and drain out the oil. Now that the oil is drained, we're going to put the oil drain plug back on and tighten it to specs. We're going to put the engine under tray back on. And now we're going to go to the top of the car, replace the oil filter and fill the engine with oil. Next we're going to replace the oil filter. That's the new oil filter right there. I'm using this brand of oil filters. We need to change the O-rings on the oil filter cap. There's 3 O-rings that we need to be replacing. And now the oil filter is ready to be put back on the car. Before filling the engine with oil, first I'm going to show you the service manual for this engine. The filling capacity is 5.4 liters, some drain bolt tightening torque is 20 Newton meters, and this is the oil that's recommended for this car, 530 or 030. I'm using the genuine GM Dexus 2 530 oil. And now I'm going to fill the engine with about almost 5.4 liters. That's 5.4 liters filled into the engine. Next I'm going to put the cap on, and I'm going to turn the engine on for about 5 to 10 seconds so that the oil filter gets filled with oil, and then I'm going to check the level of the oil on the dipstick, which is right there. Next I'm going to replace the air filter. The air filter is located right there. That's the air filter housing, and in order to get access to the air filter there is a couple of screws that are holding the air filter cover. We need to remove them and we'll have access to the air filter. Here we can see that's the air filter right there. Make sure after you remove the air filter you use a vacuum or a blower like me, just to blow out or vacuum all the stuff into the air that's in the air filter box, and then we can put on the new air filter and tighten the bolts. And afterwards we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.